Okay, get inside. Just close the door. Oh, God, I'm totally drenched in snow. It must have gone through the gaps in my jacket hood. Oh, I can feel the melting water drip down my back. Gross. I knew I shouldn't have trusted you when you said you knew where you were going. Oh, it's a shortcut. He'll actually save us time. No, I'm not saying you should have known that there was going to be a pop-up blizzard. What I am saying is that we should have stuck to the main trail. And we would have if you hadn't... Oh, no. Don't blame this on me. It's not like... Oh. Okay, whatever. Just shut up. We don't have time to keep bickering. We need to act quickly or we're both going to get hypothermia. How do I know? Oh, I don't know. Maybe because I actually bothered to read the emergency guide section in the back of the pamphlet that they handed out at the lodge. At least one of us did. You're welcome. Damn it. My whole shirt is soaked through right to the skin. This jacket barely did anything. Okay, hurry up. We need to get these wet clothes off, and then we'll get some blankets and something to keep insulated. Or we could just go into shock. You know, those are some good choices. Well, don't just stand there, you idiot. At least you brought your backpack. So you're not totally useless, I guess. Get the sleeping bags out. And find a towel or a cloth or something that we can use to dry ourselves. Okay, there's a fireplace here. And it's full. Maybe one of the rangers brought in some firewood recently or something. I don't know who else would be using this cabin. It's so far out of the way. And it's not even marked on the maps. Let me see if I have anything to light it in my knapsack. Ah, okay. Well, yeah, an electric heater would be better, but the fire's going to be hot enough to keep us warm for now. So long as we stay really close to it. What about you? Well, did you find anything? What is that, a hand towel? Why is it so small? You seriously couldn't find anything else? Okay, fine. You'll have to do. Just, it won't warm us up much, but at least we can use it to dry off. Now, what about those sleeping bags? Yeah, bags. Why'd you only take one out? There's two of us, genius. What do you mean they split the equipment with you? What? Oh, wait, hold on. What are you saying? Are you... Are you saying that we only have one sleeping bag? Seriously? Oh my God. Share it? We can't share it. Because we're not exactly going to be wearing our pajamas, obviously. We have to get all the wet clothes off. Yes, even those that are wet. Yes, even that. Or at least I do, because these board shorts feel like they just came out of the sea. Every piece of wet clothing is going to drop your body temperature. The guide says so. We have to take them off. Jesus, how could you only bring a sleeping bag? Yeah, I know we're supposed to go back to camp to sleep, but... Damn it. Okay. Deep breaths. We can do this. We're both professional, mature adults here. We can do this. We'll just have to use the same one. Now, do me a favor and turn around. Also close your eyes. No, I'm not kidding. Hurry up. Okay, all right. Don't you dare peek. Okay. This'll have to do. Yeah, you can open your eyes now. What kind of stupid question is that? Yeah. If you haven't been paying attention, this is all I have left. Now, quickly, unless you want to freeze to death with that stupid look on your face, get the wet clothes off. Yes, fine. Oh, look, I'll close my eyes too. You're done? You're gonna get in the sleeping bag? No, I won't open my eyes. Fine, but just, just be really careful where you put your hands when you get in, okay? Yeah, I know that there's no room in this sleeping bag. It was only meant for one person. It's just... Oh my God, you're touching my... Okay, just move your hand. Oh God, it's so cold. Pay attention. Come on, lock in. Are you done? Can I open my eyes yet? Okay, look, that wasn't so bad. I can feel you lying pretty much on top of me. But, that doesn't have to be weird. We're just following hypothermia prevention protocols. That's all. We're just two adults in a sleeping bag together without any of the wet clothes on, being responsible and smart in a emergency situation. Yeah, well, now we just have to wait for our clothes to dry off and maybe for the storm to subside. Should only take a few, hours. What? Why the hell are you looking at me? Where else should I look? I don't know. Literally anywhere else. Just not at me. This is already awkward enough. Okay, just look over at that wall, and I'll look over at the opposite wall. And we'll just stay like that. Sound like a plan? Okay, fine, whatever. This is so dumb. Let's just look at each other. Talk. You seriously want to talk while we're like this? Well, yeah, I guess, we aren't gonna... Well, yeah. I guess we're not exactly gonna fall asleep. And I don't think anything you say could be more awkward than just lying here in silence. So... Fine. We can talk. Whatever. You start. I'm bad with icebreakers. Nice weather we're having? God. Seriously? Oh, you're joking. Okay, fine, I admit it was kind of funny. Look, I'm sorry I called you an idiot earlier. And I'm not just saying that because your body heat is currently the only thing keeping feeling in my fingers. No, it's true. I was panicking and lashing out. Now, to be fair, I was about half hypothermic, so I think that is a decent enough excuse. But I know I wasn't exactly nice to you before the blizzard either. You know, you really have nice eyes. I'm sorry. That was probably super weird. I have no idea why I said that. It's just, I've never looked into them when being like 2 inches from your face before, and the thought just popped into my head. It could be possible that my brain hasn't done frozen yet. Oh, you really think so? Well, thank you for saying that, I guess. That's actually kind of sweet. You know what's crazy? When Habib invited me on this trip, I almost wasn't going to go. But I changed my mind the last minute. And now, here we are. Well, I wasn't going to go because I know that most of you guys don't exactly like me. Yeah, it is true. Everyone thinks I'm a bastard. Yeah, they do. I've overheard them talking about me in the hall a couple nights ago when they thought I was asleep. You know that, Veronica actually called me a mythical bastard. What does it even mean? Like, maybe I'm not even a person to them. I'm just, a big bad dragon who swooped in to breathe fire over everyone's good time. And that's not even the first time either. I know how people feel about me if they don't want to say it to my face. I'm not stupid. And okay, some of how they feel may not be unwarranted. I mean, I haven't exactly been the nicest person ever. And I know that. But also, like, people just assume I'm mean. Or that I'm going to be rude to them just because I'm a bit standoffish. Maybe I'm a little short with my words. But I don't mean to be. I'm just awkward. Sometimes I feel like people don't even get to know me because of all these assumptions they've made about me beforehand. Oh my god, why am I even telling you all this? It's not like you care. No, you don't. You're just saying that because, A, you're trying not to argue with the mostly naked guy whose body you're currently lying on top of, and B, my body heat is probably the only thing keeping your heart from stopping. Was that an attempt at a pickup line? I mean, honestly, I've heard worse. Sorry that I called you an idiot before, by the way. Did I already say that? Ah, whatever. I'll say it again. I probably called you an idiot more times than once. You know, your chest is really warm. I can feel you try to keep your distance from me, and I appreciate the courtesy and all, but it's okay. I mean, it's okay if you want to kind of, you know, relax your arms a little, just press against me some. I mean, it's actually the smart thing to do. What with hypothermic protection and everything. You know, sometimes I feel like it's a self-fulfilling prophecy. People expect me to be a certain kind of person. That hurts. You know, it hurts when people just assume all the bad stuff about you. Like, a lot. Then I get upset. And then I sometimes do act mean. And they just think that they were right all along. They judge me before they even get to know me. And then I turn into exactly who they thought I was. Just sucks. God, I don't even know what I'm saying. You didn't think that? Okay, yeah, right. Look, we've been fighting literally the whole way here. Oh, you mean before? Like when we first got to know each other? You thought I was quiet, not mean, huh? Maybe I just kind of assumed because all your friends felt that way about me that you did too. Okay, let's just address the elephant in the room. I know that you can feel me. Yeah. Look, it's just that way because we got out of the ice storm, all right? You gotta cut me some slack. I'm not giving you any grief for the glass cutters. Never mind. I am not blushing. That's, blood returning to my facial muscles. Or something like that. Well, if you had read the pamphlet, you idiot. Oh, sorry. Sorry. I said I wouldn't call you that anymore. I just, Okay, well, I warned you. I am awkward. No, I'm not doing anything. I'm just trying to work the circulations back into my hand by rubbing them up and down your very warm sides. How are you so warm? Either way. Repetitive motions and body heat are ideal for getting circulation back into your hands. You should probably try it too if you're willing. I mean, you don't have to, it's just if you want. Oh, yeah, I mean it's kind of like a massage. It actually feels really nice when you rub my shoulders like that. Here, I'll return the favor. No, don't stop. That feels amazing. And my back. Yeah. Oh, okay, right there. Oh, your hands are really nice. Like, seriously. This feels really nice and snug and warm. You could hold me a little tighter. Please? Yeah. Yeah, just like that. Here, let me try something. I'm just gonna bring my hand up out of the sleeping bag. Let's check your cheek. Oh my goodness, yeah, your face is burning up. My hand is soft. Does that mean it feels nice? Oh, okay, good. I want it to feel nice. I want you to feel as nice as you're making me feel. Anyway, about that thing I wanted to try. Just close your eyes for a second and look, tilt your head just a little. Okay. And did you like that? Yeah, I liked it too. Here, let me just put my hand on the back of your head and bring you in a little bit closer. Yeah. Just rest your head on my neck. Yeah, this is nice. I mean, it kind of feels weird, but it's a nice kind of weird. A weird I can get used to. Yeah. All right, wait. Look, I really like this, but I have to ask you something. Did you really mean what you said earlier? I mean, like, you didn't feel like I was being a jerk or a bastard or a big bad dragon. Oh, thanks. You're sweet. I was thinking that maybe, well, maybe after this we could start over. Forget all the stuff we said, all the fighting. Maybe pretend that we're total strangers meeting each other for the first time. Okay, well, not exactly total strangers. We are pretty close right now, and I wouldn't want to forget that. But you know what I mean. Maybe we could put all that bad blood and misunderstandings behind us. Start fresh. As friends. Or, you know, maybe more than friends if you wanted. Yeah. Yeah, I'd like that. I'd like that a lot. Hey. Look out the window. It's basically just like a wall of white. That blizzard doesn't look like it's going to be letting up anytime soon. But the fire hasn't died either. And I don't mean the fire in the fireplace. Oh, don't look at me like that. I totally gave you a pass for that lame pickup line earlier.